दुसरी डॉक्टर फिलिप पिंटो स्मारक अखिल गोय मेजर रँकिंग टेनिस टेबल टुर्नामेंट जालो. अंदू वर्सा तांकां पयल्या वर्साच्यान डबल एंट्री आयल्या. 16 सप्टेंबर ते 23 सप्टेंबर मजगती आशिल्ले. 23 तारखेर ह्या सर्तींतल्या विजेत्याक इनामां वांटली. भारतांतलो आदलो क्रिकेटर मोहम्मद अझरुद्दीन हे ह्या कार्यावळीक मुखेल सोयरे म्हूण हाजीर आशिल्ले. पणजेच्या नाटेक गोवा खातीर विलियम रॉड्रिग्स.
This is the second edition of the Dr. Philip Pinto Memorial All Goa Major Ranking Table Tennis Tournament. The second year. Last year we had about 200 entries. This year we have got almost double, almost 350 entries. So it's been a real success. It's been on for the last 8 days. As you all know, you all have also been covering it. We've had a number of people visiting the club, cheering the players, supporting the players, and we've had some very good games. Today are the finals, and the men's finals is on right now, which will be followed by the sub-junior boys finals. As you all know, we have Mr. Mohammad Azharuddin, a former India cricketer, who is the chief guest for today's function.
I'm very happy and pleased to be here. I think everybody has to thank Anisha for calling me here, because I think in the last so many years, this is the first time she's asked me to come somewhere. For this tournament, I'm very happy that I came. It's very nice to meet everybody. So I've become now a little bit of a coach also, a mentor to the Goa cricket team also. So you will see me more often in Goa, and don't be surprised. I think I hardly, very rarely come to Goa, but I think the last 2 months I've been here twice. So maybe in the future also I'll be here. But congratulations for holding this outstanding tournament in your grandfather's memory. Dr. Philip Pinto, I think everybody knows about him, about what he has done over a period of time, what he has done for Goa, and it's a great feeling that you have organized in his name, in his memory. That means you remember the people who really are your ancestors and who really have helped you achieve something. And I think Kaveh has done a great job, and his sister here, I think both of them have really worked very hard for this tournament, and I want to congratulate the young boys and girls, whoever has won, congratulations, and whoever has lost the tournament, lost matches, lost finals, I can only wish them best of luck, and I hope that the mistakes you made today, you won't repeat it next time, and then give the other player who won against you a hard time.
Well, I've been getting a lot of positive response from parents, from players, from the children, from coaches, and from people in general, saying that it's been a very well organized tournament. People are looking forward to this tournament. They're very happy that I've taken this step today and getting like somebody who's like big in the field of sports. I've taken this initiative. Mr. Azharuddin has come down specially for my tournament today.
As you know, Kabir has organized the second Dr. Philip Pinto Memorial All Goa Major Ranking Table Tennis Tournament in memory of our grandfather, Dr. Philip Pinto. He was the rector of the Lyceum and the first director of education, and is synonymous with education in the state of Goa. To keep his memory alive for the younger generation, Kabir took this initiative to organize this tournament in his memory. We are very proud to inform you that last year, in the first year of the tournament, we had more than 200 entries, and this year it's gone up to 300 entries. The response has been phenomenal. The crowds have been pouring in every day, as you can see, to cheer the players, and it's turned out to be a really nice thing for parents and the participants.